Everybody, today I want to tell you about Track Week uh, Lar Dallas 2021. Basically, I want to tell you the track on the train. They are not driving very fast. Okay, so the Lar always capture in the Dallas. So in UK, they are telling that why it's not bending about downing its lead. Okay, so truck Dallas rig in the company in UK, in USA, and everywhere else. So we basically promote these the lawyer, and we have you this to upload it in the channel. Okay. So according to me, that in 2021, that the Dallas has been crashed in the truck wheel. Dallas, no one has been catched about these strategy. Okay, so you wanna tell that anything else if you have your recording. So according to me, in 2021, the Dallas that you have been uh, catched our all eyes. So the Dallas in Australia, the track rig Dallas Lyle has been caged them. Many accidents did in 2022, 2021, 19 and 91. If you have these strategy life, you have been caged these all researches. If you wanna do this, so then no one has been catch it over in 2021. Okay, so track wheel Dallas LAR 2021 has been explained that nobody can catch them in the right way. They drive very fast. 24 wheels, tires, and 18 like this. So according to us, the company has been caged. The tracker is there, and two more tracker that they did in the truck wheel Dallas. Always they are driving very fast, so the license they must have. If the police catch them, they drive a lot. They did a lot of accidents in the highway of motorway in US, USA, Australia. You know the drivers, their ID, their completely information about them. The truck wheels Dallas moved over and over. From 2010, they did accident because of thunder, rain, and automatically they accident. The lawyer has been explained that I cannot cage them why they did these accidents always because of what, because they need every strategy of their own life. You may little bit do this forever if you have the skills. You know that all hour and hour. So the judge has been explained that the accidents that much did. Okay, Dallas truck rig Dallas that they the design is very good in 2000 model, 2015 model, 2016 model. The model are very well and expensive. Because of these we reached to this. Today I want to tell about these that the company has been, if they launch, so very high speed, and the prices are really high of these. So today I want to tell you, if anybody uh, subscribe my channel and like them, and press the bell icon for all over the world. The truck Talas has been crashed.